Let's see how we can create YouTube thumbnails using UNO FLUX, a tool for blending images into a final one. First, I recommend you carefully think about the prompt. If you're unsure, go to ChatGPT like I did and ask for a specific YouTube thumbnail prompt. It'll give you a prompt you can use in UNO FLUX. We'll input the prompt. It's crucial that the prompt is in English. I almost forgot to use English, which can lead to more errors if you don't. Finally, we'd adjust the aspect ratio as needed. For YouTube thumbnails, use 1280x 720 pixels with 30 steps and 3.5 guidance in advanced options. Set the seed to -1 for randomness. Now let's hit generate. As we can see, it's created the thumbnail. It's exactly what I asked for. Perfect. Note, I put 49.99 comma, but it misread 49. We can fix that ourselves. And there you have it. An AI-generated thumbnail. Easy, simple, and quick. One detail. The girl is missing a finger, but that's a minor issue. Let's see how we can easily get Flux and create images like this one by blending other images. To do this, we'll go to Hugging Face, which is an open source code guide platform if you're not familiar. If you want to know more about how it works, we have a video on our channel explaining it. In the app, we'll go to the Spaces section and use the search bar to look for Flux. Once we find it, we'll click to enter. Inside, we'll go to the Files section where you'll find everything you need to get started. As you can see, these are the files you need. This way you can use Flux for free and easily without much hassle.